สวัสดีค่ะ We are students from Chulalongkorn University Demonstration Secondary School. Today we would like to present our team invention. Let's snore, more sleep. A novel anti-snoring system.
As you know, people spend 1/3 of the day sleeping. Sleeping is vital as it enables the body to repair and be fit.
It is important to have a quality sleep as it boosts better work engagement and commitment.
Snoring is a form of sleep disorder breathing, interfere with sleep quality and sleep quantity, both for the person who snores and for the person who sleeps with a snorer.
Poor quality and insufficient sleep from snoring affect on physical, mental, and intellectual health.
Moreover, loud snoring is one of the biggest signs of obstructive sleep apnea. According to the most recent study from the University of Warwick, COVID-19 patients with sleep apnea could be a higher risk and could have 3 times greater risk of dying than those with normal health conditions.
Currently available snoring pillows in the market are not good solution. Its disadvantage is fail to correct individual head and neck alignment.
Our novel anti-snoring system, AI detection with personalized snoring pattern and special sleep apnea detection. 8 airbags used in repositioning head, tilt, and widen airway. Let's Snore More Sleep app linked with snoring detection and reposition head helper. Let's Snore More Sleep app. There are 2 important functions. The first is AI detect severe snoring sleep apnea with specific response algorithm. The second is head repositioning helper, a 2-step AI algorithm to precisely control airflow that is medically effective with a special head tilt that is under patent registration process.
Let's Snore More Sleep application operate with 8 airbag system. This is a special important airbag system. The first 4 airbags operate with pressure sensor to reposition head effectively regardless of where the head is on the pillow. The 5th and 6th airbag are very important to promote head tilt chin lift position, the best maneuver for opening airway in case of the sleep apnea. The last 2 airbags will help to promote side sleeping and prolong deep sleep, unlike the other that just turn the head regardless the following discomfort. Our mentor, physician who is the specialist in sleep medicine, confirmed that the head reposition system adjusted by AI is the best method for stop snoring. She hopes to have this device for her patients to use.
Let's Snore More Sleep system address the 2 important marketing factors: user-friendly and reposition head safely and effectively.
I had tried using Let's Snore More Sleep pillow. It makes me sleep better. I feel fresh and active whole day long.
Let's Snore More Sleep anti-snoring system will make your sleep as best as you wish.
It will improve your quality of life as it should be.
No
more snoring!